If you're a creator, coach, or small business, two tools you've probably seen are Tella and StreamYard. Both let you record yourself and share professional looking videos, but they serve completely different purposes. In this video, we'll break down Tella versus StreamYard, features, pricing, ease of use, so you'll know which one is best fit for your content style. And by the way, I've included links in the description and pinned comment of both platforms, so you'll be able to access them and get started for completely free. And if you decide to purchase, it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. What is Tella? Tella is a browser-based screen and camera recorder designed for creators, teams, and educators who want to make polished short videos fast. In fact, Tella offers you two options. You can either use it in your browser or you could get their app, and it is available on Windows and Mac devices. With Tella, you can record your screen, camera, or slides directly in your browser, instantly trim, rearrange, and edit clips, add text overlays, transitions, and branded backgrounds, export your video as MP4 or share instantly via link. And by the way, this is how your page will look once you're in the editor option. And you can go over to the top right hand corner, and from there we could select cut, for example, if we would like to edit. And to edit it is as easy as editing a Google Doc. You can tap on transcript, then from there you can select the text that you would like to remove or words. After you have done that, you can simply tap on delete from video, and just like that it will be removed. If it is a case that you want to use their AI feature to find mistakes, you can do that. Remove buffers, remove silent spots, and also remove filler words. They offer numerous options. You can also change the background by tapping on BG. You can select different backgrounds. You can also change the layout by selecting layout. You can see different layout options that you can choose from. They offer numerous options. Plus, when it comes on to exporting, you can select download and you can export it via HD or 4K and tap on start export. If it is a case that you would like to share it, you can tap on share and you can download the link. You can also add a password if you want by tapping right here, and you can also embed it. And if you would like to add a call to action button, you can also do that with Tella. Now, what is StreamYard? StreamYard is a live streaming and recording studio in your browser. It's designed for podcasters, creators, and marketers who want to go live on multiple platforms or record high-quality interviews remotely. You can stream live to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, and more. Invite guests and manage multiple camera feeds, add logos, overlays, and branded backgrounds while live. You can also record HD video and audio for editing later. StreamYard is perfect for live podcasters, webinars, and interviews, while Tella focuses on recorded content creation. And if we were to check out their pricing, with Tella you can get started on their monthly plan for as low as $26, and their premium plan would be $39. At the time of recording this tutorial, I'm using the Pro plan for $26, and I've been using it for quite a while now, and I have to say that this is perfect if you want to record tutorial videos or just basic videos for social media. I would definitely recommend Tella. And if we were to check out the pricing for StreamYard, with StreamYard you can see their pricing plan right here. Either one of these plans offer a 7-day free trial period, and then from there you can go onto their paid plan. They don't display their paid plan on the screen right here, but based on research, their basic plan starts off at $25 per month, and it can go up to $49 per month, depending on the amount of features you want. So Tella is more affordable and ideal for creators who record often, while StreamYard on the other hand costs more but gives you advanced features like multi-streaming, guest management, and brand overlays. In conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Tella if you record tutorials, explainers, or SaaS demos, and you want quick editing, polished design, and instant sharing, and you create pre-recorded content for YouTube or client. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose StreamYard if you host live interviews, webinars, or podcasts, and you need to invite guests and stream to multiple platforms, and you want to interact with your audience in real time. So Tella is perfect for recorded content creation, simple, modern, and built for fast editing and sharing. StreamYard is best for live creators who want to collaborate, interview, or stream to multiple audiences. Both tools can work together beautifully. You can record polished clips in Tella, then go live and connect with your audience in StreamYard. If you would like to try Tella for free, I've included affiliate links below, which will help to support the channel and lets you test it out right away. Hope you found this comparison helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.